Hi, my name is Nielsen with FileCloud, and I'm here today to talk about the preview function for CAD files within the FileCloud platform. The purpose of this video is to answer the following questions you may have about the CAD preview tool within FileCloud. These are going to include things like how do we integrate with FileCloud, as well as how does this function, or where to find more information. So what is the CAD file viewer and why does it matter to your organization? Well, for organizations who already have an Autodesk subscription and are regularly working out of AutoCAD files amongst different types of functions, including engineers, architects, designers, and project managers, and need a way to be able to view documents and collaborate without incurring the extra cost of licensing per user. Next, we're going to talk about what's required to integrate the CAD file view with FileCloud. The first requirement is going to be a FileCloud environment with a version of 22.1 or higher. And the second is going to require the creation of a FileCloud application within your Autodesk account. Then we'll enable AutoCAD Viewer within FileCloud. And then finally, based on your deployment model, you'll either submit a ticket for our online users, or for on-premises users, make a change behind the scenes to the configuration to enable AutoCAD View for your users. Now, let's talk a little bit more about how the CAD Viewer functions. So the first time you preview a file, Autodesk charges your account in Flex tokens. Any view thereafter by any user is no charge unless the file is modified. Users can view both 2D and 3D models as shown from the video. And for models with multiple views, 2D or 3D, a Dropbox is available to select between. For any users or customers who are looking for more information, you can find the latest FileCloud documentation URL below, as well as a link to the Autodesk landing page. Now, before we go, I want to briefly cover two new features that have been added as part of 23.1. The first of these is going to be our QR code sharing, making sharing even easier and simpler than before, while still being secure. The second is going to be our ability to download Office and text files as PDFs. Both of these are new to 23.1, and more information can be found on our blog post. With that, thank you. And if you have any questions or need any information, please visit filecloud.com.